meal prep and food confessions. Food cravings. Pregnancy cravings. Good question. So far, I've craved peaches and cottage cheese and olives. Cottage cheese with black olives. I've acted on the peaches, but not the cottage cheese and black olives. And this combo right here, my oats, peanut butter, honey, and good old cinnamon. Although I have gained a few extra pounds, make some room for the baby, I'd like to say my muscle definition is due to continuing to be mindful of my food consumptions. As I mentioned in my previous video, I don't really have a specific goal other than to maintain a healthy journey, and that I'm just fascinated by the anatomy and physiology of my body composition and the capabilities.